everybody, welcome back to Leetcode Simplified. I'm Alan, and in this video we'll be solving Leetcode 217 contains duplicate. The problem is very simple. Given a list of numbers, return true if the list contains any duplicate and return false otherwise. Super easy. We know that sets automatically remove any duplicate from list, so convert our list to a set. If there's some duplicate in the list, the length of the set will be smaller than the length of the original list. Let's copy it over here. Okay, submit. Done. We successfully check if the list contains any duplicate. But wait, this approach goes through all numbers in the list to build our set. We don't want that. We want to stop immediately when we see the first duplicate. Here's the optimized approach. First, create an empty set scene. Now, loop through list nums. As soon as we see the first duplicate in set scene, stop immediately and return true. Otherwise, add the current number into set scene. If we reach the end of the list, that means no duplicate found. Return false. That's it. Easy. The moment we see a duplicate, exit right away and return true. Alright, let's mark the submit button. Here's come the moment of truth. Boom, accepted. Time complexity is linear, big O and average, but can be faster in practice because it stops immediately when a duplicate is found. Space complexity is big O and because we store numbers in a set. That's it for today. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out my Leetcode playlist for all the Leetcode problems explained simply and clearly. I'm Alan, and this was Leetcode